Ah, what a peaceful day. Just me, my fishing rod, and... Oh, I got one. Come here, little fishy. You're going to be the star of my dinner tonight. Now, let's get some fresh veggies. Carrots? Check. Tomatoes? Check. Oh, look at that big lettuce. Yup, that's coming with me too. Time to get cooking. Chop, chop, chop. Look at these perfect slices. I should be a chef. Oh, this smells amazing. A little pinch of salt, a little swirl of my special touch. And now we wait. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Come on, cook faster. Perfection. Whiskers, you've done it again. The best meal ever, made by the best chef ever. Me! Maybe next time I'll open a restaurant. Whiskers Kitchen, what do you think? Phew, what a day. Fishing, shopping, cooking, eating. I think I need a nap. Good night, world.